This is week 7, and in week 7 you're going to read chapter 8 entitled Correlation and Linear Regression, but you're only required to read pages 183 through 2003, and we're not going to get into the final section of chapter 8, which deals with the interaction effects in multiple regression. So you don't have to read those pages. I think it's 203 to 209. And also make sure you review the PowerPoint presentation. And as I've suggested before, you might want to review the PowerPoint presentation before you actually start reading chapter 8. And your assignments this week are exercises 1 through 5. And which are on pages 209 to 213. And the research project is due this week. In fact, it is due at the end of the day on Sunday. And the research project is worth 200 points. Each one of the questions on the research project is worth 15 points, for the exception of question 12, which is worth 20 points. So if you've submitted the self-assessments earlier in the course, then you should be in good shape when you make your final submission this week of your project. And the lateness policy is in effect for the research project as well as for the exercises this week. And as always, if you have any questions, which you may have this week, be sure to address them in questions and answers, the questions and answers discussion board.